As a professional trader, we want to stack the odds in our favour. Just like the casino, it has an edge, and in the end, it always wins. That is what we want with our trades, and that is what I need you to learn. Today I will empower you with the knowledge of how to have the edge on every single trade that you take from now on. You see, there are two sides to every trade, the buyer and the seller. Just like at the casino, there is the punter and the house. And as we know, the house always wins. After today, you will have the knowledge of how to capitalise on being on the right side of the trade. But first, I want you to learn a very powerful lesson from Dan Lok. I'm not associated with Dan in any way. I do, however, believe that what he is about to show you will help you open your mind to what I'm about to teach you today. Once you grasp the lesson that he teaches, you'll be ready to accept the knowledge that I will empower you with today. Not only will I empower you with an extremely powerful concept, I will teach you a precise step-by-step strategy that utilizes that concept. If you take action with what I'm about to teach you, you could become financially free for life. Let me hand over to Dan and I'll be back to you shortly.
That's right. So now, what are these, Shannon? Chips. Now, these are different kinds of chips. Shannon, what I want you to do, I want you to think of these chips, I'll hold you on these chips. I want you to think of them as your investment capital, okay? Now, each chip could represent, doesn't matter how much you have, it could represent $10, $100, $1,000, $10,000, $100,000, doesn't matter. These are the chips that you have. So these are your investment capital. What are they?
Investment capital.
Investment capital. These are your investment capital. What are they? Okay. So, it's quite a bit of money. So how much you want each one to be?
Any amount?
Doesn't matter.
Let's make it 10,000.
10,000 each. Ooh, a lot of money here, right? All right. So how much would you say we have here? Around?
10. I'm gonna guess maybe 240,000.
Yeah,
Like that.
200 somewhat K, right? Pretty sizable investment, right? Okay. So Shannon, we are gonna play the game. We'll play the game. So here's a deck of cards. What is this? What is this? This represents the market. What does it represent?
Market.
The market. So, Shannon, I'm gonna let you win some money. See if we can get some. See if we can multiply the investment capital. That's what we.
I'm already ready to invest.
Uh,
I already know my first case.
Okay, that's good.
It's you.
Okay. Now, here there are a couple of rules. So, Shannon, listen closely.
Okay.
You could invest one chip at a time.
Uh-huh.
You can invest 2 chips at a time,
Okay.
or all the chips. It's
Got it.
off to you. There's no limit. Okay.
Yeah.
Also, just like how many have seen a show Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? How many have seen that show before? Right? You can also ask for friends. You can also ask your friend, right? Here, right? You can ask your friend here, ever, right?
I just met him, but I think we're gonna be good friends.
That's right. You can ask them for their advice. Because it's normal sometimes when we invest, hey, we ask, hey, how are friends? Like, what do you think of this investment? I'm going to buy this piece of property. What do you think? Yes? So you could do that. You can ask anybody. Okay? So here's how it's going to work. So this deck of cards. Now, a deck of cards, we have how many cards? 52. Now, what kind? We have A's, we have 2, we have what? 3, yeah, hearts. So here's how it's going to work. In a moment, you're going to pick a number of these cards. Each time is one bet. It's one investment, right? You can bet on how many chips you want each time. If we draw from 1 to 10, you lose your investment capital.
Oh man.
Anyone from 1 to 10.
I'm drawing the card.
That's right.
I'm not-
Okay.
I'm basically going through this question.
Okay. Now here's the thing. If you draw a jack,
Yeah.
you're going to double your money.
Oh man, I love jacks.
Okay. If you draw a queen, you're going to triple your money.
What about a king?
You're going to 4 times your money.
Yes.
Okay, so 1 to 10, how much money? How much money? 0. Okay, if it's a jack, how much money? Double. Ooh, who likes to double their money, right? If it's a queen, triple. Oh, but if it's a king, all right. Now you guys want to chip in, right? You guys are like, hey, let me join this. Ooh, this is exciting. This is Vegas time. All right, so let's shuffle the card. Just to be fair, shuffle the card.
I am with the king of high ticket.
King of high ticket.
I want to pull.
All right. So here we go. So the first bet, how much you want to bet, Jenna?
And I don't know what I'm betting for. I like the number 3.
Number 3. All right. So 3 chips. 3 chips. So $30,000, right? Represents 30,000. Ooh, I'm sweating too. I'm the house, but I'm kind of excited. But I am not the house. I'm simply the what? The market. I'm simply the market. So let's draw the first card. Okay. All right. Shannon, any one of these. Let's do it slowly. Let's build up some excitement. Yes, yes. How many of you get nervous when you invest? Your heart is pounding, right? Even though this is not real money. Notice the emotions are going through, right? All right, here you go. Pick any one of these. Okay, first one. And you sure about this one?
Yes.
You sure about this one? Do you need to ask any friends?
No, because it's going to create doubt. Just
Doubts, okay. First one. Okay? First one. And we want Shannon to win, yes?
We do, right?
Okay.
Yes.
So let's review that slowly.
Oh my
Right
God.
there, the first card, please. What is it? And then yell it out loud what the card is, okay?
Oh, shit. It's a 5.
It is a 5. It is a 5. It is a 5. All right, 30,000.
It's painful.
Put it
How
back in
many,
your pocket.
how many? I get 3 draws?
And as many draws as you want. Next one. How much you want to bet? Do you want to double down? I don't know. Because isn't it the Vegas rule? You lose the first bet, you kind of double down? Is what it is?
Let's do 3 again.
Do 3 again? All right, 3 again. 3, how many? 3 again. Here we go. All right. And pick any of these cards. I think, we need to do you blow it, right? Is that what it is? Like, let's blow it together. Okay, 1, 2, and... Okay, here we go.
A 10.
A 10. Oh, getting close. Getting close.
all right.
Getting close.
So-
5, 10. Next one, maybe a J. Okay.
Trust has been. You still get my money?
That's right. 1 to 10, you lose your investment capital.
Just when trust was being reestablished.
Now, but you know how it is, like when you lose 3, 4 times in a row, usually the next one is, the 10 is, you're feeling it.
Yeah.
This is now, you lost this much
Okay,
already.
but, okay, when I win the queen, do I
Yeah.
get all that back?
No?
You said 4 times.
No,
4
12 times what you bet.
Oh, man.
4 times
I
what you
got
bet.
excited.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm ready to like.
You ready?
Yeah, okay.
Well, no, so you lost quite a bit. If you want to get that back, you got to kind of
Yeah,
bet.
but I still got- I'm good.
Okay,
I'm
good.
I'm
All right,
gonna-
all right, all right.
I have a strategy now.
Okay,
After
yes.
4 losses,
You got strategy. She's got it. What? Strategy. Okay, here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Bet how much?
Because this can happen all day.
All right, all right. 1.
I'm
Now,
gonna-
if you bet 1, if this turns out to be a king, you would.
I'll take that chance.
You take that chance.
Yeah,
So
'cause I'm
1.
reestablishing my self-trust here.
1.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's deep
You
going
sure?
on. Yeah.
You
I
don't want to
gotta-
ask a friend anything like that.
What to ask? Friend, you're a good investor. I saw your hand raised up. What do you think?
1,
More or really?
3,
Friend, I'm gonna trust you.
3. What about this friend? What do you think?
I'm
3,
gonna go 3 because that's already stretching me.
3, 3, 3. What do you guys think?
My chest is starting to get
Well, it's not your money, so you guys, I Google some fuck.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, it's like buying a stock. Oh, I don't give a shit, right? All right, here we go. $30,000. Here we go. I think I have a good feeling about this one. I have a good feeling about this one. At least got to be a J or K or something like that.
No, it's not a winner.
It's a 2. Okay, now we can do this all. Let's one last chance. One
Oh, I
last
still got a lot of money.
last chance.
That means I got to bet all my money.
Maybe. Maybe
There's
last
a-
chance.
there's a lot
If
of
you
things.
want to, now so far you're like maybe compared to that you've lost maybe 40% of your investment capital, 30-40%. So, so Shannon started off with 100% investment capital in a few 4 investments we've done.
Yeah.
We've lost 30-40%. Is this the real world? Hello? Could you make a trade? Could you make an investment, lose 40% of your money relatively quickly? Sometimes 100% of your money. So now this is her chance. This is her life savings here, right? Almost $200,000. This is the last bet, right?
Feeling your pain. BJ.
So
Share
she needs to draw a pretty good card
Yeah.
just to get back to break even, right? Get back to 0, not even a return. So Shannon, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna let's play the millionaire game. I'm gonna phone a friend.
Phone a friend,
No,
phone a
take
friend.
A poll from the
Pick a
audience.
poll, yes,
Who
yes.
thinks I should just bet it all? Raise your hand. Bet it all.
Bet it all, bet it all, bet it all, bet it all, bet it all. So Shannon, in the beginning, why do we want to invest?
To make a profit.
To make a profit, get a return. So now we're at 30-40% lost. This is the last chance. You're gonna bet. So even though, let's say we draw a jack, you kind of get back, depends on how much you invest. You might get back most of the money, not even up ahead. But if it's a queen, then you're in pretty good shape, right? Then maybe you say, hey, you know what? I draw a queen. That's it. I'm not going to bet anymore, right? Forget about it. If you're king, then you're like, I'm going on vacation. So Shannon, how much you're betting?
Betting this.
Everything. How many of these do we have?
Okay, let's see.
So it's one. Let's count them. Let's count them.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80,000 is what
$80,000 of
I had to.
investment
Yeah,
too.
'cause
So it's got 20,000 left. Okay.
I can multiply that for me. I know it.
Emergency fund,
Just,
get home fund.
I need a massage because
It's the stress
Yeah.
from losing the money.
I need to see a
Probably some of that
therapist.
goes to alcohol. I don't know. Right? You know why we have so many bars in Vegas? You win money, you celebrate, you have one drink. You lose money, you're depressed, you get 2 drinks. They make money either way. They make money either way. This is why. All right? That's called business. What is it called? Business. All right. So, Shannon, you ready? Okay, here we go. Okay. Ooh, I feel nervous.
I know, me too. My heart's
I feel nervous. So far, who is winning within the game? The market is winning. Do the market win most of the time? Hello? Yes. Why do the markets win most of the time? She's losing, so it's a zero-sum game. So in the market, in the marketplace, someone wins and someone loses. Is that how it works? Is that how it works? Would that be an interesting question to explore these 2 days? Okay, so the market is closed now. So please open the card, Shannon. 1, 2, and 3.
Well, here's the good news. I do like the number 7. It's just not for me.
Number 7. What's the number? Number 7. So Shannon, how much we started off with?
240.
240.
20 left.
We got 20 left. So we basically, within a matter of 10, 12 minutes, we've lost $200-some-odd-thousand. That kind of sucks, eh?
Oh, yeah.
How do you feel, Shannon?
Terrible.
Terrible. But you were pretty excited a few
Actually,
months
terrible.
ago.
Pissed.
Pissed,
Yeah.
right? Is that normal? Do most investors make money or lose money? Most of them lose money. So Shannon bet multiple times, different amount. Right? Multiple amount, but she lost the money. Shiny card, exciting. Oh, like in Asian culture, belief like gold is it's fortune, right? It's good luck, it's prosperity. Not so good so far. But what if Shannon? If this is the market, I'm the messenger for the market. If the market wins most of the time, and she bets, and based on trust on the market, not on me, because I'm just neutral, I'm just the messenger, right? On the market. Now, did I tell you how much to bet? No, it's your decision, multiple times, right? But what if, Shannon, I give you one piece of information, just one small piece of information, okay? That all the Jack, Queen, and King
In your pocket.
were in my pockets the whole time. Oh, but then that's cheating! Not that much different when a stockbroker tells you, hey, the stock is going to go up. Not that much different when a real estate agent tells you, this is a good piece of property, it's going to appreciate, it's in a good location. Not much different when your friend tells you, hey, invest in my thing, it's going to make money. I promise you, we've known each other for 10 years. Is that much different? So is it my job or is it Shannon's job to investigate before you invest? Did I say, Shannon, you cannot check my card? Would it be a simple idea? Hey, I just want to check the card. Maybe after 2 bets, I want to check the card just to see how it goes. Maybe there's something wrong with it. Because the 2 5s, you say, I get a little bit suspicious. The 2 5s, what's going on? Right? Maybe I look at the card, the card seems a little thin. It doesn't look like a 52 cards. Right? Maybe gut instinct tells you, it still looks a little thin, maybe, but just like a stockbroker tells you, just trust me on this. It's okay. Oh yeah, the market dipped a little bit. Don't worry about it. It's gonna bounce back. Haven't heard that before. It's gonna bounce back. 2 years later, well, it's gonna bounce back. That's how most people approach investing. They think it's a word of luck, a game of luck, a game of gambling. Versus, now Shannon, if you would have done that, let's say the third bet, and you say, I'm gonna check the cards. And you check the cards, you say, what the fuck? I see no jack, I see no queen, I see no king. Would you still continue to bet? No, absolutely not. Doesn't matter what I say, oh, it's gonna be, no, it doesn't matter what I say, something is missing, yes? You know you're not gonna win. Write this down. Lesson in the morning. Investigate before you invest. Don't listen to your stockbroker. Don't listen to nobody, including me. Because no one cares your money more than you do. Yes? No one cares your money more than you do. It's called due diligence. Just simply check the cards.
Dan did a great job showing you a simple demonstration about stacking odds. To be a professional options trader, we need to learn the nuances of trading options so we can construct our trades. If you enter your details below and opt in, you will then gain instant access to my free training that will take you from being a total novice right up to learning the basics of iron condors. Yeah, strange name, hey? But they really are the cream of the crop, the trade that stacks the odds way in our favour. If the stock goes up, we make money. If the stock goes down, we make money. Even if the stock stays sideways, just trades up and down sideways, we still make money. Talk about stacking the odds in our favour. This really is the ultimate trading strategy, and I'm going to teach it to you for free. When you opt in and enter my free training area, read through all this material here because this will give you your basic ideas about options and what we do with our trading. You can see a notice here that we're in pre-launch right now. Okay, so there'll be more and more training added here shortly. A few testimonials here. You can read about existing clients that had never traded before and how well they're doing now. So there's videos on option basics. See, we can see this is in pre-launch. So there'll be more material here shortly. Be an option seller and not an options buyer. Okay, introduction to iron condors, vertical spreads, put for vertical spreads, iron condor mastery. Then scroll down here, keep going down, tells you about my live trading room, okay, tells about my trade alerts that I have, where you'll be able to see my own trades that I'm personally making in my own account. I record my trades so you can see step by step how I do it. Here's an example here. If you go and look at this one here, it will show you a trade that I'm doing with Zoom. Now with this particular trade, it has a maximum profit of $193. A maximum risk of only $307. So that gives 62% return, right? Pretty cool. You'll understand what all that means when you watch that video. Speaking of money, my training, my trading room, and my alerts do not cost. I'm empowering you with the knowledge for life as you will earn while you learn. Just one trade a month can cover the costs and put profits back into your pocket. Now, you don't have to subscribe to my alert service or my trading room, right? You have a lot of information on here that I'm giving you for free. But if you do want to take it up to the next level, well, jump in, right? As we've got up here, just to scroll up a bit, you'll see that I've got a $14 14-day trial. So for $14, $1 a day, right? Then you'll be able to know whether you can make money out of this or not. If at the end of the 14 days you don't think you've received value, just let me know. All right, we'll put you in our private Telegram group and then you can contact me direct. So if you don't get $14 worth of value, I will refund your $14 for you. No questions asked. Okay, so opt in now, go through my training material, and I look forward to empowering you with trading iron condors.